So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 6 of chapter number 14, rational numbers of class 7. In this part we are going to learn about how to insert a rational number between two given rational numbers. Okay, so let us start. Now consider an example. Suppose we have list 11 rational numbers between -4 and -3. Okay, so for inserting rational number, one condition is that both the numbers should have same denominator. Okay, so right now -4 is not having any denominator, so we can write it as -4 upon 1. Okay, and -3 can be written as -3 upon 1. Okay, so let us see one by one. So now how many numbers we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find 11 rational numbers. So we will consider this value as n. So here n equals to 11. Now we have to take one more than this value, that is we are going to find n plus 1. Okay, so now what is n plus 1? So when you're adding 1 on left side, you have to add 1 on right side also. Okay, so n plus 1 equals to 12. Now what we will do, we will make the denominator of both these numbers as 12. Okay, so what is our first number? That is -4 upon 1. Now here the denominator is 1. We want to make it how much? We want to make it 12. Why 12? Because the value of n plus 1 is 12. Now to make it 12, we will multiply the denominator by 12 and the numerator also by the same number. Okay, so when you multiply the numerator and denominator by 12, we get it as -4 upon 11 and 4 into 12 and 1 into 12. Okay, now minus into plus will become minus, 12 fours are 48. Okay, and 1 into 12, it will be 12. Now another number which we have is -3. So -3 can be written as, this -3 can be written as -3 upon 1. Okay, that we have written here. Now what we will do, again here also denominator is 1. Since n plus 1 is 12, so we will make this number also as 12. To make this 112, we have to multiply denominator by 12 and numerator also will be multiplied by the same number. Okay, so when we multiply it, we get -3 into 12, 1 into 12. Now minus into plus will become minus, 12 threes are 36. Okay, and 1 into 12 will become 12. Okay, now both these numbers are having same denominator. When the numbers are having same denominator, we can insert number between these two. Means which is the next number after -48? So the next number is -40. Yes, 7. Okay, then -46, -45 and so on. So how many numbers we are supposed to write? 11 rational numbers. So let us see what are that 11 rational numbers. Okay, so the required numbers between -4 and -3 are, that number will be between these two numbers. Okay, so they are, see now, -47 upon 12, -46 upon 12, -45 upon 12 and so on up to -37 upon 12. Why? Because -37 and -47, from year till year, these all numbers lie between -48 and -36. And -48 upon 12, from where we got? So we got it from -4 upon 1, and -36 upon 12, we got it from -3 upon 1. So what is the condition which we have learned? That whenever you want to insert rational number, first the condition is that the denominator of these numbers must be same. Okay, second step, then you have to look at how many numbers we have to find. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Now here it is given that list 9 rational numbers between -2 upon 3 and -3 upon 5. Okay, now between these two numbers we have to find 9 rational numbers, but Here it can be seen that both the numbers are with different denominators. So what we are going to do, the very first thing is that we will make these denominators same. Now how to make these denominators same? So we will find their LCM. So what is LCM of 3 and 5? LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. Now we will convert this denominator also as a 15 and this one also as 15. Okay. Now first number is minus 2 upon 3. Now, how to make this 3 as 15? So, we have to multiply it by 5. Okay. So, we'll multiply the denominator by 5 and same number we are going to multiply the numerator. Okay. So, you get minus 2 into 5 upon 3 into 5. Now, minus into plus will become minus. Okay. So, 2 5s are 10 and denominator will be 3 5s are, so that will be 15. Okay. Now next number, what is our next number? It is minus 3 upon 5. Okay. So minus 3 upon 5. Now here again same condition, we want to make this denominator as 15. Why? Because LCM is 15. Now by what number it should be multiplied? So by 3. So the numerator will also be multiplied by 3. Okay. Now minus into plus, it will become minus, and 3 3s are will become 9, and here 5 3s are 15. Now both these numbers are having same denominator, but we want to find how many rational numbers? 9 rational numbers. Now between minus 10 and minus 9, it is not possible for us to write 9 rational numbers directly. So what we are going to do now, again next procedure. Now how many rational numbers we have to find? 9. So the value of n will be 9, which we have written over here. After n we are finding n plus 1. So if n is 9, n plus 1 will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. Now what we will do, these numbers are with same denominator. Now we will make these denominators, we'll multiply these denominators by 10. Both the numerator and denominator of this number will multiply it by 10. Okay. So when we multiply the first number, okay, now what is our first number? So we have minus 1 upon 15. Sorry, it is minus 10 upon 15. Okay. So next step, what you get? Now, what we have done here, both the numerator and denominator we have multiplied by this number. Okay, so now minus into minus plus, and 10 tens are 100, and 15 into 10, 150. Okay, so what is our first number? 100 upon 150. Now, what we are going to do, which is our next number? We have minus 9 upon 15. So now this denominator also and numerator we will multiply it by 10. Okay. So next step, what we are getting? Now minus 9 into 10, and here 15 into 10. Now minus 9 into 10 will become minus 90, and 15 tens are 150. Now it can be seen that here both the numbers are with with same denominator. Okay, so now we can easily find numbers between these two, minus 100 and minus 90. So which are the numbers between minus 100 and minus 90? So the next number is minus 99. So here it can be seen minus 99. Denominator also we have to write same. Then minus 98 upon 150, minus 97, up to it is minus 91 upon 150, up to this number. Okay. So these all numbers are what? Rational numbers between, yes, our original numbers were minus 2 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 5. So in this way, we can add infinite numbers between any two rational numbers. Again, listen, what is the condition? First condition is that these two numbers should have same denominator. If not, we will take their LCM and make it same. Second condition, then we have to look at how many numbers we have to find. We have to decide the value of n, then n plus 1, and by this number we will multiply both the numerator and denominator. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.